Alright guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share before we get into it. But yeah, you guys, so I'm sitting here in Jamaica as you can see, and I wanted to comment on all the craziness that seems to be going on in America. Something that I feel like is not good is that even though I have been away from America for so long, I still seem to like follow all like the politics and like everything that's going on Twitter and on YouTube and everything like that. But so yeah, I don't know if you guys have seen like the media is going crazy saying that Elon Musk did like a sort of Nazi salute. I'll post a photo of it somewhere. I'll try and see if I can post a video too. Um, but yeah, it's super crazy. I know a lot of you guys that watch my channel are more Democrats, and a lot of you guys hate Trump and everything. So comment down below if you want. If you guys like Trump, if you don't like Trump, how you feel about the election, the inauguration, and everything. Um, yeah, in some previous videos, I was letting you guys know that I like Trump. And I think if you guys are someone that doesn't like him, I think you should just look into things he actually says instead of what the media says about him, because most of it is lies. Obviously, you guys, I don't like someone who is racist. Like a lot of you guys were saying that how could she live in Jamaica and and support someone who's racist? It's because he's not racist. Um, and even if you guys thought he was, there's so much things that a president does. There's so many things that they support. So if someone supports Trump, they may support one thing he's doing and not the rest, or they may support half of the things he's doing. But I guarantee you, no, like pretty much no one is supporting Trump because they're a racist. Very few people would be like that. And obviously that's not what I'm doing. But anyway, so back to the Elon thing. So yeah, I think it's so weird that Elon does some sort of hand gesture and people just say, "Oh, it must be something related to Nazis." Like, I feel like people don't think this through. Like, that doesn't make sense. The only way that that would make sense is if you could go back and see things that Elon's saying and see that it relates to like Nazi things. That would be telling that someone's a Nazi. But a hand gesture that you think is awkward doesn't have anything to do with that. And something really interesting is the most recent thing that Elon Musk has been talking about, at least on X that I've seen, is this whole like debate whether like about a certain visa. I forget the name of the visa, but a visa that allows like immigrants to come, like super highly skilled immigrants to come and like help American companies. So Elon is in support of that, which is the opposite of what Nazis believe. Nazis believe only, I think it's in like the white race, right? Like they don't believe in, they don't want any other race, the Aryan race, something like that, white supremacy. But if Elon Musk is literally in support of immigrants from all over the world coming to America because he believes that immigrants will help the country, help businesses, help civilization, as we know he's obsessed with the future of civilization, then of course that means that he has nothing to do with Nazis. And something super interesting that I saw on TikTok was apparently Elon Musk has Asperger's, which is like a type of autism, I think. And a lot of people were, first there were people with Asperger's commenting saying, no, like this doesn't have anything to do with Elon's hand gesture, which I think is weird because like it's known to make people like a little bit like socially awkward, maybe have like weird motions, exactly that, like do things at the wrong time. So I feel like it would have to do with that. But then there was this one TikTok video that if I can find it, I'll post it. But it was a mom with a son who had Asperger's, the same thing that Elon Musk has. And she asked her son, okay, if you wanted to motion, my heart goes out to you. If you wanted to like do that in a hand motion, how would you do it? And her son goes like this and does this almost like the exact same thing that Elon Musk does, like a little child. So assuming the video is real, assuming she didn't like tell him to do that, which I don't think she did, because she was like a genuine mom saying like, I don't like how this narrative affects like my son and kids that have this condition. So that little child did the exact same motion as Elon Musk. And if you guys are someone that follows like one side of the media, maybe you haven't seen this, but I've seen a lot of the media just showing the exact hand motion he did and clipping out the parts before and after. So if you haven't seen, he said, my heart goes out to you. So I feel like that makes sense. My heart goes out to you. He did some sort of motion. And the funny thing, oh my God, you guys, let me see if I can find the clip, but there's a video of AOC literally freaking out. Literally freaking out. And the Libs of TikTok account was like, I think saying, like, I think we broke AOC. Yeah, guys, she's just super disingenuous. And they found pictures of her literally doing the exact same hand motion. But I don't know why people are just obsessed with saying people are a Nazi. Who in this world today, like, believes what Nazis believe? Very, very few people. And I'm Jewish, by the way, guys. So but yeah, we have to leave people alone. I think it's so weird the critique that Elon Musk is getting. I think the reason why they're doing it is because the Democrats like hate billionaires, hate rich people. And so since he's already a billionaire, it's like pretty easy to hate on him. Um, But yeah, I don't know. Some people that I follow, like for example, Candace Owens was talking about how she hates or how she like disagrees with Elon Musk and things. And I usually agree with Candace Owens, but she did some coverage of the presidential inauguration, which I thought like I didn't agree with. I'll try and post a photo here of Jeff Bezos with his wife at the inauguration. A lot of people were commenting because of her outfit. It was really low cut. You could see a bunch of stuff. But Candace Owens, she was like, I actually don't have a problem with Jeff Bezos because he went out and had, she literally, these were her exact words. He went out, like, he divorced his wife, or yeah, he divorced his wife and then went out and got a bimbo blow up doll as a wife. Like, which is super weird because she always talks about how she's a Catholic woman now and she's against porn. That's like a big thing she talks about, how like so against porn she is. And then she refers to a woman as a blow up doll, which is weird too because blow up dolls are made after women. Women aren't made after blow up dolls. So to call a woman a bimbo blow up doll, and she's done it 5 times. I don't know if you guys watch her, but like when she has a phrase or when she has an insult for someone, like she reuses it over and over and over again. So like that's her insult. But it's not even meant to be an insult. Like I feel like she just thinks it's cool to say these things. There's a certain aspect of her where I feel like she tries too hard to be liked by people, or like she tries to be okay with everything. Like if she's a Catholic woman, I don't think she's okay with like blow up dolls. Like so I have no idea why she's using it's just so disrespectful. Like why would you call like a woman that? Like if anything, just say you think she is attractive, you think she's like a beautiful woman. Why would you call her that? It's really weird to me. So anyway, I usually like most things she says, but that to me was a little off. Guys, before I keep rambling, let me show you the nature super quick. Super beautiful. But yeah, you guys, so I just want to encourage you. I know there's like a lot of like panic and hate and a lot of stuff going on in America right now. Like people are stressed about politics or upset, or a lot of people are super excited. But if you know people that support Trump, like I guarantee you they're supporting Trump for good reasons, like reasons that they think will help the country. Most likely they want to secure a border. Probably they're against all the trans stuff. They just want things to be more normal. They want people to like get jobs because they're good at it, not because of like random like initiatives that are only targeting certain groups of people, things like that. Like no one is supporting Trump because they're racist. Very, very few people are doing that. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys that I just got some ingredients from the store, so I'm gonna cook dinner tonight. That's gonna be a video coming soon. You guys will see me cook Biko some food because you guys love to say I never cook. So I'm gonna start cooking every night, you guys. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment your thoughts down below. Try not to just hate me like for this opinion. I know a lot of people were saying last time when I posted about this, like I'm unfollowing you because of your opinions. That's not good, guys. Like I would never unfollow someone because they were a Democrat, for example, something like that. All right. That's all I wanted to say. I've been watching American news from here. So yeah, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.